Got a little update on the little side business for lawn mowing that I was starting. I actually got a customer, so that's kind of exciting. I signed him up for weekly, doing front and backyard, and then some hedges in the front. So, I got all my equipment in here. It's tight in the car, but it's in there. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Day one. All right, so I just got back. And it took me about an hour altogether. I did a mow. It was pretty long. I just mulched everything. I just went a little slower, and cleaned up the edges and I trimmed some bushes. So yeah, everything worked out well. About an hour, made $80. So I'll be servicing them weekly. I used also my Ego mower. With the amount of batteries and stuff I have, I'd probably be able to do about like 4 lawns around the same size as this one I just did. I'll post pictures so you guys can see maybe some before and after. But yeah, I could probably be able to do maybe 4, and definitely not major volume, just because I don't have the batteries and stuff. If I really start getting some volume, then I'll start maybe investing in all gas equipment. But that'd be tough in my car too. So I'm figuring it out. But yeah, I used Jobber for the invoicing. That worked well. It looked professional. So now I got to focus on getting more clients. Let's see how things go.